Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I forgot one thing. Guys, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you can see now, today's vlog is about Ninja, okay? I know you'll be missing about our Ninja 250, right? So this is the latest update about this build, okay? So thank you guys, my channel almost reached 300 subscribers. So thank you for subscribing for my YouTube channel. We have been a big YouTube family now, right brother?
Yes, man. The sixth time, yes, man.
Yes.
Yes. 6 times again, man.
6 times 6, right? 6 times 6, brother. 6 times 6.
Can see me or not? The camera can see me or not?
Yes, they can see it, brother. They can.
Why you record yourself and then I don't have in the camera? Why you always record yourself without my know?
Why you always record me without my know, right, brother? Brother, this is camera, brother. This. Here.
I know that is
here.
Camera position. I know. Oh.
So from the previous video, my brother said he will make you fall in love with him if he see straight to the camera, right, brother?
Yeah, if I see straight. Because I know my face is universal, handsome for all the girls in the world. Because we have many variation of face. A face that dark girl like, the face that white girl like. But my face is a universal. A black, a white, a yellow, a green, a blue, a red, a avatar girl will like me, you know. All variation of colors will like me because my face is universal. And girls like me very much, okay? Thank you because you're talking good about me. I know my speech make you very think good about me. Subscribe to PewDiePie. See the PewDiePie versus T series subscribers. It's very near right now. It's actually now a different, only 1,000 different between them. But but PewDiePie is still above T series subscribers. Yeah. So brother, what's the update we want to do for today? And what sound is that? So what the update, brother?
So I will let my brother, you guys know, okay?
You have seen this ninja be naked a long time ago. I know all of you like a naked thing. A naked girl, a naked boy, a naked cat, a naked dog, and all things naked. So my brother said we have a good news for today. Because the postman shipped something at the early morning about 3 a.m. at our house. I'm very surprised. We have a postman that can post the item to our house at 3 a.m. Wow, it sounds weird, right? But it's happened in Malaysia. I'm pity your country don't have a postman like that. What's that?
Teh, come here, Teh.
So, just forget about the cat. The cat never talks to the camera. Okay. So, my brother said the surprise inside this room. Okay, inside this bengkel. If our family said this is a bengkel. But for you, it's a room. Okay. So, let's get in. Oh, get it, man. You want to get it or not, man? You want to get it or not? Just say yes, man. First step, we must standing still like this. Second step, you must make your face go to the door like this. Use the right hand because right hand is a good thing before we do something. And then you must squeeze like that. The door will open. Oh my god, man. This is the surprise that you said, man. What is this, man? What is this white thing, man? And this black thing, man? And finally, after a week of waiting, and this Ninja 254R full fairing with inner have arrived. Woo! Whoa, man. So, my brother just unboxed it. So, the box is open like this. But, no worry. Imagine that this box is still closed because I want to do unboxing for you guys. Let's check it out. Yes, man. This is the first thing we will open by together. This is the meter panel for the Ninja 254R. Wow, man. It's very precise like the original one. I think this is original or not, I don't know lah. Because my brother don't give me any information about this. But it looks very similar to the original one. Okay, so guys, next, this is the, I don't know where is this part is located. It's very similar like the original one. Okay, this is both of the sides. I know this is a sunny day. Am I sweaty right now? Just continue this. Okay, this is the original meter panel that we take out from the Ninja after the accident. We just make a few repair, but it looks ugly actually. It's very ugly. So let's compare side by side. Oh man, it's a huge difference. Anyway, by the way, we just have a perfect one now. Okay. Next, we have this one. Oh man. Okay, this one is located like this. Okay, like this. It's okay lah. We will make a, we will make a video lah about that. Okay, and we have another part here. This at the signal side lah, both side. Wow, perfect, man. This is perfect. I think we got all the parts of this Ninja. We don't need to repair the broken one anymore. Oh my god, man. Wow, this is the ABS fairing material. We got the ABS material. We don't get the cheap fiber material. It looks very OM to the original one. Wow, man.
Yes, we want to make sure that all the part is OEM, original from the Ninja. If you can see now, all the part is from the Ninja.
Yes, from the Ninja. This is the face, This is the face. Oh my god, man. I can put my face like this. Wow. This is the rear tail fairing. Wow. This is the the undertail. This is not undertail. Under engine. We have the under engine. We have the front guard. Wow. We have the under engine. We have the under engine. We have the tail. This is tail. And we have all the small parts here. I need to take out all of this. Yeah. So this is all the parts we got from our order. It's complete set. We don't need to make a repair anymore to the damaged one. Yes.
Guys, please comment down below what the color should we repaint all this original part. Okay, if you can see, there is no paint here. It's fresh from factory, so we planning to paint it with ourselves. Okay guys, comment down below. Okay, down below, what color should we get, right brother? Your suggestion?
My suggestion is we need to wrap it. We don't need to paint it, we just wrap it, because wrap is awesome. Awesome. But what color? You need to comment down below. Okay, paint or wrap?
Yes, comment down below what color should we get, and comment down below also, is it this hairstyle is awesome or not, because this hairstyle has been gone from the 90s. Okay, this is the first time I see the people bring back the hairstyle for you guys. So huge shout out to my brother who love the retro look in this 2019. Huh. Right brother?
Yes, because 2020 we will see the floating cars everywhere.
Yes, there is the huge shout out to our people. There is the huge news to us. So everything will be floating or we flying, including this bike. Free upgrade. Don't forget to go to Kawasaki and upgrade your bike to the floating one.
Hovering. Flying. Accident. Falling down. Dead.
So now I will get this right. Let's go to the montage.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, erase all of these broken dreams and flight. And we'll
Okay brother, I think you forgot about one last thing update for our YouTube family. I give you honor to do that. The one last part that arrived different from this box. Brother, you have anything to say?
Give me a minute to think about that.
Brother, before that brother, please, your eyes at this.
Yes. Let me think and give me a minute. A fairing complete. Inner of the fairing complete. But what the thing that missing right now? Oh my god, man, we have another box right there. Yes, we forgot about this. We also have this. But let's check this box. What the thing in this box? Oh my god, man. Wow. Look at this, brother, look at this. We found something in this box. Look at this. This is the front headlamp of a Ninja 250R. What the sound is that? Oh my god, it's very disturbing. Yeah, this is a front headlamp of a Ninja 250R.
But brother, before that, why is stated that 300? Why?
Yes, because Ninja 250R and 300 use same model of headlamp and same model of fairing. It's different only on its bore, blocks bore. Okay, the 300 one, the bore is bigger, but they have the same stroke. This is about the cylinder lah. Okay, if you don't understand, this is about the cylinder. More bigger the bore of the cylinder, more bigger the cc. Okay, let's just continue. Open this. Don't disturb me. I want to make our YouTube feel. Oh, okay, sorry.
There's something falling down there, brother.
Oh my god, man, what is that, man? Is that broken from this headlamp? What is this, man? This actually looks like it came from this headlamp. Oh my god, man. Fuck you, man.
Yes, you can see now. I think the clip here is broken. You know, I think this suck from the postage. You know, that is the risk that you need to know, right, brother?
Oh my god, man. Now I feel I have a lot of frustration. This took a lot of weeks until it arrived to our home. Okay, the camera at this place. Okay. Oh my god, man. Why this can happen? But guys, think wisely. We cannot blame the seller. Seller post this item perfectly, but the postage. Okay, we have the risk when we post the item. The item will just be thrown by the postman because they have a lot and they have a lot of item to post and they need to make it fast. Okay, I know I've been angry, but think twicely. They have done their good job. We can just repair this. This is not a major problem. This is only a minor problem. We just take the 3-second glue and just stick back like the OEM like.
Yes, I think this is very easy fix, right, brother? It's like 10 seconds. You can done it by yourself because this is inside the headlamp. It's nothing major. It will not visible to us, so we just fix it. At the end of this series, we will sum all the total cost to rebuild this Ninja, right, brother?
Yeah,
because my brother is accountant now. He is very good job in account, so he will let you guys know, right, brother?
Yeah, I will. Okay, I will count all the total of the cost to rebuild this Ninja for you and the days that we need to complete this rebuild.
Yes, comment down below, right, brother? What the color should we tinted the front headlamp? Should it carbon fiber? Should it full black?
Carbon fiber?
Or anything? Just let us know in the comment down below, okay? Right. So, thank you guys for watching for our vlog for today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click that bell button because we are doing daily vlog, right, brother?
Yeah.
Is it daily?
Daily.
Is it daily? Brother?